Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to recover a Google account without using a phone number or recovery email and you're looking out how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So for that, what we can do is we can open up Chrome or any of the browser available, and we need to type in google.com/signin and this one, recovery. So look out for this recovery page of Google, and here what we need to do is we need to start by entering up the email address that you're trying to recover. This is only the official route available. So head over and enter it up. So just go over and do so. And once you enter up your email address, you just need to go over and click on next option right here. So just go over and do so. And once you do so, it will open up this page how you want to sign in. So if you do not want to use your email address or your phone number, what we can do is look out for any other recovery method instead. So you can either enter your password or look out for this option called try another way to sign in. So you can just go over and click on this option. You can just go over and repeatedly click on this option of try another way to sign in. Google will present you with alternative verification method. So for example, this is another one. You can look out for this try another way. And after you click on it, what you may do is you can look out for this option of getting verification code. If not this as well, you can click on another way and Google will ask you another process. For example, going ahead and answering security questions, proof of recent activity or something like that. And just go over and do so. You can even look out for email for 72 hours, check your spam or junk folder, etc. and look out for the method for your Google account recovery. And you can provide each and every piece of your accurate information you can, and Google will ask the questions identity, more correct answer, etc. and after verification you should be able to go ahead and recover your account. After that is recovered, you can try adding recovery phone and email right away and even turn on two-step verification. So that is it everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.